Hello, my sweet little friends. Today we will learn phonic sound. Phonic sound of N. Are you ready? Let's start. What is the sound of N? N, na, na, nightingale, na, narwhal, na, nurse. Now see carefully what nurse is doing. She is nursing him. Nurse is nursing a patient. Na, nose. Na, nail. Na, nerve. Na, nervous. Nervous. Na, neck. Na, necklace. Na, nephew. Na, knees. Na, nation. I love my nation. Na, navy. Navy. Na, nature. Na, Neptune. Neptune is a planet. Na, noon. A bright noon. Na, night. Na, news. Na, noise. Na, noble. He is a noble person. Na, naughty. Naughty. Na, narrow. This road is very narrow. Na, nook. Nook. Nook means corner. Na, near. This man is near to his house. Na, next. He is calling next candidate for the interview. Na, navigate. Navigate. Na, network. Network. Na, nutrition. Na, nutrition. Na, nourish. Nourish. Na, needle. Needle. Na, nest. Nest. Na, nice work. Na, nice work. You have learned the sound of N. Now it's the buzzer time. It's your turn to guess what's in picture. Are you ready? Let's see. What is this? When you are hungry, your mama cooks me in just 2 minutes. Can you tell me my name? Yes, noodles. What is this? I am the greatest one-digit number. Can you tell me my name? I am the greatest one-digit number. What is my name? Yes, I am 9. 9. What is this? I give you information about your surroundings every day. Can you tell me my name? I give you information about your surroundings every day. What is my name? Yes, this is a newspaper. Keep it up, guys. Very good. Next, what is this? Can you tell me? You note down your whole day work in me. You note down your whole day work in me. Can you guess my name? Yes, this is your notebook. Next, what is this? I am a fruit, but very dry. Can you tell me my name? I am a fruit, but very dry. What is this? Yes, these are nuts. Nuts. Next, what is this? When you do not want to do anything, what do you say? What do you say? No. Yes. No. Next, what is this? You use me to keep yourself clean. Can you guess my name? Yes, I am a napkin. Napkin. Very good. Wonderful. Your work is noticeable. You cracked all the puzzles. Wonderful, guys. Now, let's learn the sound blend. Sound blend of sound N. What is this? A. A. What is the sound of N? Na. And sound of A? A. Join these two sounds. Na. Na. Nap. Nap. Nail. Nail. Next, what is this? E. What is the sound of N? Na. And sound of E? A. Now join these two sounds. Net. 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 New. My new dress. What is this? I. I. What is the sound of N? Na. And sound of I? E. Join these two sounds. Ni. Ni. Nib. Nib. Nib of a pen. Next. O. O. What is the sound of N? Na. And sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. No. No. Knob. Knob. Knob of the door. No. Node. Node. Next. What is this? U. U. What is the sound of N? Na. And sound of U? A. Now join these two sounds. Na. None. None. Number. Number. We are numbers. Congratulations, guys. Commendable job. You are doing very well. Keep it up. Now, keep watching and learning with my videos. But before leaving, subscribe, like and share my channel. I will be back with my new video on phonic sound of O. Till then, goodbye. Take care.